I'm Liz Kettle, and this is Thermofax Thursday. And today, even though it's only September, I am going to be showing you how to do glitter snowflakes. You could use this glitter technique with any Thermofax screen, but since we're starting to think about fall and in Colorado, fall means snow, winter's coming. So I've got one of my Snowflake Thermofax screens, a piece of white cotton muslin, and my mat that I'm going to screen on. And I have gel medium, regular gel medium. You could also use soft gel medium. That would work just as well. And then I have, it's kind of grungy looking, but this is this makeup grade glitter the tower that I have. So it's very, very super fine glitter, and that's what we're going to use today. You could use the chunkier glitter, but if your design has really fine lines, the chunky glitter will really disrupt those lines a little bit. So the makeup grade glitter, the art grade glitter is much better to use. And you'll want to have a piece of paper and a heat tool of some sort, and your water to put your screen in when you're done, okay? And let me get started. So I'm just going to use this spatula to get the gel out, put it straight across my screen. And remember, you're going to want to hold your screen at the top, and I'm going to use my old gift card to screen down. I want to make sure I get plenty of gel medium there. Pull this up, and you can't really see the gel medium at this point, so I'm going to put this right in here, just get wet. And then I'm going to take my glitter and just dump it in a pile in the middle. And then I'm going to put it over here on my paper and dump it around, kind of tap it from the back so the glitter moves around, gets on all that gel. Then we're going to dump it into the paper, and you'll see I have a little crease in the paper, and that's so I can put it back into the tower. There we go. So now we have a gorgeous glitter snowflake. And then I can see I missed one area over there, but I'm not going to redo it right now, but I would want to go do that again. And this technique works on paper as well as fabric. So then I'm just going to use my heat tool to set the gel medium, kind of help it dry a little bit faster and help the gel medium grab that glitter so it won't let go and you won't have glitter bombs. These would make great cards for Christmas. You could do them on paper, and you could do them on any kind of fabric, scarves, tree skirts. You could also do them, have kids cut them, have kids cut them out and then use them on the Christmas tree. You could do all kinds of things with these snowflakes because they're not just they're like the whole winter.